Most people think AI is the shortcut, but shortcuts only work if you know where you're going. AI doesn't replace thinking, it amplifies it. And when your thinking is vague, your results are too. That's why most people feel stuck with AI. They copy prompts, they chase templates, they expect magic, and then they wonder why nothing works. Quiet builders do it differently. They don't show their face. They don't chase attention. They don't rely on luck. They rely on systems. This bundle was built for them. 2 systems, 1 mindset, designed to work together. The AI thinking system teaches you how to think before you prompt. Not what to ask, but how to structure your thinking, so AI becomes leverage instead of noise. Think better, prompt better, build faster. The no-face content system shows you how to build pages, brands, and products without being on camera. No talking heads, no personal branding pressure, no fake authority, just clear execution. Together they form a complete loop. Think clearly, use AI correctly, build quietly, ship consistently. This isn't for everyone. It's not for influencers. It's not for hype chasers. It's not for people looking for shortcuts. It's for people who want control, clarity, and long-term leverage. People who'd rather build quietly than shout loudly. If that sounds like you, the Quiet Builder Bundle is available now. Both systems. 1 foundation. Build smarter. Build quieter.